LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com, select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Remove the screws. Gently pry out the hard drive. Remove the screws from the hard drive caddy. Remove the caddy from the hard drive. We will now install the new hard drive. Place the screws back in. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. Place the screws back in. Put it back in place. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.